We haven't seen this bitch for a minute. Got the CRV here. Today I'm just gonna make a little short video of how to change the battery on this thing, because the battery's toasted. So stay tuned and we're gonna get into it. Alright guys, so unfortunately the door handles on the driver and I believe the passenger, like with the CRVs, the lock mechanism gets fucked up sometimes. That's for another video though, but today we're just gonna go through the back and I'll the car's mint inside, but so holy shit, I'm crunched in here. So I'll just show you guys. There's not a light that comes on in here. It's so dead. It's so I mean I don't really care. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop the trunk or pop the hood, and we'll go ahead and pull it out. Give me a second. Let me get out of this thing. I gotta go back through. Hold on. All right. Let's go take a look. All right. I haven't seen this in a minute. Engine bay is mint. So we gotta take this son of a bitch out. So right off the bat, I can tell you you're gonna need a 10mm ratchet for these. Some sort of a wiring harness. That looks like again 10mm as well. So 10mm you guys are gonna need. So we'll start there. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we got our 10mm Stanley here. And we're gonna go ahead and take off this one. Oops, that's tightened. Anyway, so we'll take off this one. I guess somehow that comes off, but we'll get there. But then we're gonna get this one too. So I'll stop and I'll show you how to get this off. Okay, so unfortunately I got a little bit excited, and whoever put this thing in put it in like half a turn, and I just ripped it right out and it fell in there. So I'll get back, but other than that, you know, you just pull this one off, nope, obviously rest it up there or something, try and keep it away. This is just again, it's just a 10mm, and you just twist it off just like you would with anything. Okay, looks like we got to get a long nose for this one, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we got our long nose in this bitch. I recommend obviously not taking this one off, because now it's kind of a bitch. I gotta put one hand on here to hold this and then twist this off, so you have to bear with me. Okay, so now we've got that off, we've set it aside, and I'll go ahead and move this. This plastic cover should just come off. Okay. Oh, we'll just put that aside. Okay, let me just make sure I put it the way it came out so I don't forget. And there you have it guys. Just pull this bad boy out. Oh fuck, can't do it with one hand, I'm too weak. Oh, there's a handle on this one. Nice. Okay, that's it. So we're gonna go get the new one, and I'll check back with you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so I'm back here with the thing. I just got the shittiest battery I could possibly buy. This one came out to 108. Here, I'll show you real quick. This one came out to 108 before taxes, blah blah blah, whatever. So I brought in my old one. They took $20 off of it. So the whole total was 123 some shit. So We're gonna go ahead. I pulled this off because I'm trying to look for that bolt, but you know, I looked everywhere in there and honestly don't give a shit, so I'll just get a replacement the next time I come around. But for now, I'm not gonna be driving it anywhere, so next time I come I'll throw in a replacement bolt. But yeah guys, so this is what it is. You got the red here, so obviously the red is going to go on the red, and the negative, the black, is going to go on this one here. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw the tray in just like that, and give me 1 second here. Okay, so we got the battery in there. It's raining a little bit here, so I'm just going to get this cover, slap that bad boy on there, same way we took it off. Try and get it in the holder. You guys can see all nice in there. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put this thing back on. The fuck you call this thing? Shit, I can't see. Alright, there we go. Don't really matter anyway because we don't got this bolt here. Now you get the idea. And then we're just going to slap that bad boy on there. And this is nasty, man. Also slap that one on. Let me just crank them both down. I'm gonna put this one on next, so I'm just gonna get off the camera. Give me a minute. Okay, so that's it, guys. So again, the black on the negative and the red on the positive. Take your 10mm, crank it all in nice and tight. If you want to be safe, you hold it from the rubber part of the wire. This don't matter right now. Excuse that burp. This don't matter right now. We're not putting that in because again, I lost this bolt, so I'll have to get something to replace that bitch. But until then, it's in. It's fully functional. So let's go ahead and crank it in and see what we got. Hold on a second, guys. Let me get in the car. All right, guys. So we're in the car here now. You guys can see me here. Let me just get the keys. I got the keys, see if we got some power now. I'm pretty sure that the battery was completely toasted. Oh yeah, baby. Let's see if she cranks. Woo! All right. So there you go, guys. That is how you change the battery in your 2002, I believe it's actually 2002 to 2006, I think is all the same models. So 2002 to 2006, that's how you change your battery. $123. Again, this is in 2022, so that's the prices, guys. We'll see you guys. It's Mr. SFM Collective, aka Hacksaw, and that's it. Until next time, peace.